welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another declutter closet video. So I did one of these, I think maybe about a year ago, and it seemed to get decent feedback. It got decent views compared to what a lot of my videos have been getting. So I thought I would give another one a shot, and I am well overdue to get rid of a lot of clothes. So we are going to be going through my clothes today, seeing what I should get rid of, what I should either donate or just like completely put in the trash, and what I should keep. And maybe I'll try in some things like last time and I'll see that like, oh, like I actually really like this and I should wear this more often. But I've been looking in my closet lately and I'm just like, ooh, I feel like I have too much that I don't wear. I also tried out the Kiss lashes that I did a video on a couple videos back, and I still do not like them. Not for me. So let's get started. I have this closet right here, this closet right here, and then I have, not pictured, is a dresser with clothes. So I'm gonna try and go through all of this, pick some clothes out that I'm thinking I might want to donate, and then I will try them on and get your opinion. If you want to comment, tell me your opinion. And then I will ultimately be making the decision to donate or to keep. So let's start closet hunting. Okay, so this is one shirt I'm going to think about. I like it, but I feel like whenever I wear it, I don't feel good about myself, just the way it lays. So we're gonna try this on, see if this is something I want to get rid of. Okay, these pants I got from American Eagle, and they're comfy. I love them, but something happened the very first time I washed them. You can tell there's like some kind of like bleaching effect. I don't even use bleach, so I'm not sure how exactly this happened, but I had already thrown away the tags to wash it, so I couldn't return it. Honestly, I might try to dye these. Like I might buy some like army green clothing dye and see if I can dye them to cover that up, because I do really like them, and they were like $30, so I'd rather not just like throw them away. So we're gonna put those in the to try. This is an Aerie shirt. I got this at like a Plato's Closet for like a couple dollars. You tie this piece in the middle, and I really liked it at first, but I just don't have a lot of stuff that's high enough waisted that I can wear this with. So realistically, I don't wear it a ton, so I'm gonna try it on with some things and see if it's worth keeping. This is just like a plain crop top shirt that I've had for a while, and like I don't dislike it, I just feel like I choose other things over it. I believe this was from Marshall's. So I'm gonna try it on, see how I feel about it on. This shirt, I think I showed this in the last one. I used to wear this to work a lot. I just struggle to wear it in a more casual setting, so I'm gonna see if I try it on with some stuff. I mean, once I have it on, it'll be a better judge, but if you can think of anything I can wear this with, please help. These shorts are a 2 from H&M. I have not worn them all year. I don't know if they even fit anymore, so we're gonna see if they fit. I also have these pair of pants that I think I got from Marshall's. They also got, it was technically like a bleach spray. I had like a bathroom spray and the nozzle leaked onto the pants I was wearing. So it does have some like bleaching, and I might try and dye these black because they're really comfy and I really like them. So I'm gonna put these in the to try on and then possibly dye. Let's move on over here. This side I have a lot of like my old work clothes and things that are more seasonal, like sweaters, so I probably won't get rid of a lot. Try this black sweater on. I think I tried it on last time, but I feel like a lot of sweaters and cardigans nowadays are considered like chuggy, like a millennial. I don't want to wear cropped stuff all the time, so I'm gonna try this on. If I look just so outdated, let me know. Okay, this shirt dress I got, pretty sure from Five Below. I'm gonna try it on. It's really nothing special, and I don't even wear it very much at all. We're gonna put this. I also have this romper. It's from Forever 21. Technically I got it from Plato's Closet, but it's long sleeves and then short. So these do roll up to like mid-arm sleeves, But my issue with this is that there aren't a ton of situations where I want longer sleeves and shorts. Most of the time I want, if it's like on the cusp of that weird temperature, I'll wear pants and a short sleeve shirt or a tank top because my legs get cold more so than my arms do. So I just never have anywhere to wear this. If it's shorts weather for me, I'm not wanting sleeves like this. Okay, I have some other items that I actually have been setting aside to do for this video. I have these shorts. These are no-bow high-rise. I've had these for a long time and I really love these, but they do ride up. So I feel like they're just a little bit too short for my liking nowadays, because if you do any kind of movement, they ride up and I always feel self-conscious in them, like I have to pull them down, and I'm just trying to get away from shorts where I don't feel completely comfortable in them. Like finding a length where it's like I feel not too frumpy, but also I don't feel like I have to constantly pull them down in public. These are almost like a definite donate, but I will be trying them on. Next we have this shirt I got from Shein. This is likely going to just be recycled because it does have some hair dye on it. I don't know if you can tell. Like some pink hair dye that didn't come out with the wash. And to be honest, I am no longer buying from Shein because the quality is not great, and I mean what they're doing to the environment is obviously horrible, so I've stopped purchasing from them. And I really liked that there was like this kind of like pointed cut of the shirt, but it just doesn't look as great as I thought it would on. And it's kind of off center, so I never really ended up wearing it. I've got another romper. I was definitely in my romper era for some time. This is from H&M. It's really cute. I like it. I mean, it might be like considered like millennial-ish with the kind of print that it is. It has pockets. The only thing is, it is definitely too short. I'd be like pulling it up because it'd be too low cut for me, and then I'd be pulling it down because my butt would be out. So it's just realistically not fit for me. I'm a short girl, so I don't know who this is fit for. It's just, again, with the shorts, a little shorter than I really want to do nowadays. Okay, a couple more items. I have this shirt that I got from Meijer, which is like a Midwest grocery store, like Kroger, for really, really cheap. It was like $3, and I thought it was so cute, but it just doesn't fit me right. It's one of those shirts that has like the specific like outline for like where your boob is supposed to go, and mine just don't align with that, so it ends up just looking weird. And it is more cropped. No, I think it may have actually shrunk. I swear it wasn't this cropped before. This dress was definitely in my last video. It's Forever 21. I actually bought this from Forever 21, so this is quite old. Like, I haven't shopped and bought something at Forever 21 in a while. This dress, it's comfy. I just don't wear it, so we're gonna try it on again, and I don't know. I feel like I should just donate it since I haven't been wearing it for a very long time. I also have this dress, which is Forever 21 as well. Oh no, No Boundaries. So I got this at Walmart. It's like cute, it's summery, I like it, but I feel like it just like a little bit not my style anymore. So we'll give it another try on. It has gotten good use. I've had it for years. One last thing are these shorts. These are Forever 21 exclusive. I got them at Plato's Closet. I don't think they fit anymore. I haven't worn them in a long time, but they don't have pockets, so we're gonna give them a try. So this shirt is just the softest fabric. I do like it. I just feel like I don't look great in it. So I do always wear it with leggings, and I have this out, but I'm thinking maybe I should just start wearing it with jeans and tucking it in, even though it is kind of a long shirt to be tucked in. But I feel like tucked in, at least it gives me a little bit more definition. And if I can find some pants that conceal the longer tuck, I think it'd be good. So I'm actually gonna put this back in the closet. Okay. This is the green shirt that I used to wear with like my work slacks. I think it's really just like the sleeves that throw me off since they're like more billowy. I don't like how it looks not tucked in. Definitely looks a lot better tucked in. And it's a really nice fabric, and I feel like it looks like it's high neck. It looks professional enough that I can wear it and not look like a kid. I just feel like I have to wear jeans or pants that are a lot more fitted, since it feels a bit more baggy up here. I do love the feeling and the color, so I think I'm going to put this back in the closet as well. All right, I feel like I'm doing a terrible job because I also want to keep this. It's comfy and it's cropped, but it's not too cropped, which I do like. And I think it fits okay. It's just a super casual shirt, so I'm sorry, but we're keeping this too. So this is that like bralette type top that I showed. It is like, it's definitely cropped. Like I have to wear something pretty high-waisted with it. I don't know. I think I'm gonna give this one away. There's not a ton of shorts I have to wear with it, and I feel like I would want it to be just like a little bit longer. I'm not sure if I'm that into the like bralette crop shirts anymore. I don't know. I feel like I definitely struggle with dressing how I want, but also dressing age appropriately. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna donate this. So this is that Shein shirt. Notice how like this is like a little bit off center, which like really bothers me more than it probably should. I'm like, whenever I wear it, I'm always like trying to move it over. I mean, it's kind of a cute top, but it's just not for me. And it's not the nicest fabric since it is Shein, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. Okay, so here's that shirt. So either, like these are the spaces it cuts out for your boobs. It either has to be up way too high for me, so it looks weird. It's just like way too much showing, and then it comes up so easily, so I'm definitely donating this. It's a cute top, but just not right for my body. Okay, whenever I put this sweater on to like actually wear in the fall, I never like it with what I have. But when I try it on thinking I'm gonna get rid of it, I actually end up liking it. I don't know, I think I'm gonna give this one more season, the fall and winter, to see if I actually end up wearing it. But it has been in my possession for a while. So we're gonna keep it, but we're gonna really scrutinize if I actually wear it. Okay, so these are those shorts. I do have to suck it in a little bit to button them. So they're not the comfiest, they are a little bit small. And like, I definitely feel like I have to pull them down. So I am donating these. They feel like a great material, but just not my size anymore. Okay, these are a little bit tight, so that's not great, but I do actually really like them. Got pockets, and they look like a more professional looking short. They are a little bit too tight. They're not the comfiest, so I feel like if I were to wear them and like eat a meal, they would be very uncomfortable, so I feel like I should just donate them. They don't serve me anymore. Okay, these are the pants that I will be trying to dye army green. I wish they could just stay this color because I do really like this color, but they've got nice large pockets, they're comfy. So I'm gonna try and save these because I really don't want that to stop me from wearing them because I do really like the cut and everything about them. And I remember really liking them when I tried them on in store. Same with these. These have even larger pockets, but super comfy. They have a drawstring. They're cinched at the bottom, but you can also roll them, which I often do. I definitely need to save these. If you have any other tips other than just straight up dyeing the entire thing, do let me know. I like these, the fit and everything about them too much to get rid of them, and I don't know, since I got them at Marshall's, if I can get them anywhere else. And I haven't found any that are like this similar fabric. Okay, these are cute, but they are a little too small now. I was able to zip them up, but like it has to be at like the smallest part of my waist. So we're gonna be donating these, and they do not have pockets. So, okay, here's that t-shirt dress. It's just fine. I feel like if I'm gonna wear a dress, I want to wear something that's just a little bit cuter. So I am going to be donating this because I feel like it's just like fine. Like that's a good definition, is it's nothing special. And I don't think I should be wearing things that are just eh. So no pocket on these. I do like the fit. It's cute, but I just never want to wear long sleeves and shorts. So I'm gonna donate this, see if somebody else does. So here's this dress. It's just, I don't know, a little too shapeless, I feel like. It's so comfy. I almost want to keep it as like a nightgown, but I don't think I'm realistically gonna wear this. Maybe if it had like some more definition around the waist or something. I know back in the day when I got it, I would sometimes wear a belt with it, but that's not the style anymore. So I think we're gonna donate this one. It's not gonna make it past video number 2, which is sad. I feel like if this was like a little bit longer, I would like it. It's either too low or too short, so I feel like I have to pull it down a lot. So I like the fabric, I like the design, and that it has pockets, but we're gonna go ahead and donate this. This I'm still divided on. I have had it for a long time, but it's one of those dresses that just makes me feel very young. So like for that reason, I want to keep it. And it's very summery. I'm not sure about this one. This one's gonna take some extra thinking, and this is actually the last item. What an item to end on. It's the only one I can't really decide on. Okay, so these are the items I decided to keep, and these are the items that I decided to donate. I feel like there's definitely more in this arm than there is in this one. So I'm happy that I at least got some, because something I do a lot of times when I do clean outs is I just end up keeping everything. So that concludes this video, I guess. I didn't go through any of my shoes, but I feel like I don't have any I want to get rid of. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave your comments and opinions down below. Get honest with me. If I am wearing something and keeping something that you think is just so outdated, feel free to let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I would appreciate if you could subscribe and give this video a like if you enjoyed it and watched it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support, and I will hopefully see you in my next video.